Hacking Career Roadmap. Introduction. A career in hacking, also known as ethical hacking or cybersecurity, requires a strong foundation of knowledge, skills, and a commitment to ethical practices. This detailed roadmap provides an in-depth overview of the various aspects of a hacking career, covering education, certifications, practical experience, and ongoing professional development. It aims to guide individuals interested in pursuing a career in hacking by outlining the necessary steps, skills, and resources needed to succeed in the field. 1. Understanding the basics. Begin by gaining a solid understanding of computer networks, operating systems, programming languages, and basic cybersecurity concepts. Familiarize yourself with networking protocols, such as TCP, IP, and learn about common vulnerabilities and attack vectors. Develop a strong foundation in programming languages like Python, C++, or Java, as they are essential for many hacking techniques. 2. Education and certifications. Consider pursuing a formal education in cybersecurity or a related field. Earn a degree in computer science, information technology, or cybersecurity to acquire comprehensive knowledge and credentials. Additionally, obtain industry-recognized certifications such as Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, or Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. These certifications validate your skills and enhance your credibility in the field. 3. Hands-on experience. Gain practical experience by engaging in hands-on hacking exercises and real-world scenarios. Participate in Capture the Flag, CTF, competitions and hacking challenges to test your skills and learn new techniques. Join online hacking communities and forums to collaborate with other professionals, share knowledge, and stay updated on the latest trends and vulnerabilities. 4. Specialize in a niche. Hacking encompasses various domains, including web application security, network security, wireless security, and mobile security. Choose a niche that interests you and develop expertise in that area. This specialization will allow you to deepen your knowledge, focus your efforts, and become an expert in a specific field. 5. Bug bounty programs. Engage in bug bounty programs offered by companies and organizations. Bug bounty programs allow ethical hackers to find and report vulnerabilities in exchange for monetary rewards or recognition. Participating in bug bounty programs not only provides valuable hands-on experience but also establishes your reputation within the cybersecurity community. 6. Continuous learning and professional development. Cybersecurity is a rapidly evolving field, and staying updated is crucial. Continuously learn about the latest hacking techniques, vulnerabilities, and defensive measures. Attend industry conferences, workshops, and webinars to expand your knowledge and network with professionals. Join professional organizations, such as the Information Systems Security Association, ISA, or the International Information Systems Security Certification Consortium, ISC, Squared, to access resources and professional development opportunities. 7. Legal and ethical considerations. Ethical hacking involves adhering to legal and ethical guidelines. Familiarize yourself with the laws and regulations governing cybersecurity and hacking in your jurisdiction. Understand the importance of obtaining proper authorization before conducting any hacking activities. Adhere to ethical standards by focusing on white hat hacking, which involves working with the consent of the target and aiming to improve security. 8. Soft skills development. Developing soft skills is crucial for a successful hacking career. Enhance your communication, problem-solving, and critical thinking skills. Hacking often involves working in teams and collaborating with stakeholders, so effective communication and interpersonal skills are essential. Develop your analytical and problem-solving abilities to identify vulnerabilities and devise effective security solutions. 9. Building a professional network. Networking is essential in the hacking community. Connect with professionals in the field through online platforms, forums, and social media groups. Attend industry events, conferences, and meetups to network with like-minded individuals. Engage in discussions, share knowledge, and seek mentorship from experienced professionals. Building a strong professional network can lead to valuable career opportunities, collaboration, and ongoing learning. 10. Ongoing research and experimentation. Hacking is a constantly evolving field, and staying updated with the latest tools, techniques, and vulnerabilities is essential. Dedicate time to continuous research, experiment with new hacking tools and frameworks, and explore emerging technologies. Stay informed through security blogs, white papers, and research papers published by cybersecurity experts. 11. Secure coding and defensive strategies. To become a well-rounded hacker, it's crucial to understand secure coding practices and defensive strategies. Learn about common security vulnerabilities and how to mitigate them. Acquire knowledge of secure development frameworks, secure coding guidelines, and secure software development lifecycle practices. By understanding both offensive and defensive techniques, you'll be better equipped to identify and address vulnerabilities. 12. Industry collaboration and contributions. Contribute to the hacking and cybersecurity community by sharing your knowledge and experiences. Write blog posts, create tutorials, or publish research papers to contribute to the industry's collective knowledge. Engage in responsible disclosure by reporting vulnerabilities to organizations and helping them improve their security posture. Collaborate with other professionals on open-source projects to contribute to the development of security tools and frameworks. 13. Continuous professional development. Cybersecurity is a field that requires continuous learning and professional development. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, attend training programs, and pursue advanced certifications to enhance your skills and expertise. Consider advanced certifications such as Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA, Certified Information Security Manager, CISM, or Offensive Security Certified Expert, OSCE, to further validate your expertise. 14. Establishing a professional reputation. Building a strong professional reputation is vital in the hacking community. Act professionally, maintain ethical standards, and prioritize integrity in your work. Engage in public speaking opportunities, present at conferences, and contribute to industry discussions to establish yourself as a trusted expert. Develop an online presence through a professional website, blog, or active participation on social media platforms. 15. Career path options. A hacking career offers various paths and opportunities. Consider career options such as penetration tester, security consultant, security analyst, incident responder, or security researcher. Continuously assess your interests, strengths, and goals to determine the path that aligns with your aspirations. Conclusion. Embarking on a hacking career requires dedication, continuous learning, and adherence to ethical practices. This comprehensive roadmap provides guidance on the necessary steps to pursue a successful hacking career, including foundational knowledge, education, certifications, practical experience, ongoing professional development, and ethical considerations. Remember to stay updated with the latest trends, continuously develop your skills, and build a strong professional network. By maintaining a commitment to ethical hacking practices, contributing to the cybersecurity community, and staying at the forefront of technological advancements, you can forge a rewarding and impactful career in the field of hacking. Thanks for watching.